here at Las Terrazas, touring the 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite. Here we have the guest room. It's got 2 double beds, closet, nice ceiling fan. Then the guest and shared bathroom, nice shower, clean vanity. And here, washer dryer, which is amazing for family vacation. Here's a full kitchen with refrigerator, oven, everything at your disposal. Also has central air, which I feel like is huge. Beautiful views of the pool from the room. Then we have the master suite. It's got the views, fans. You get plush, lovely robes. You have a closet, good space, security. And then the master bath. It's a pretty sink. Nice big shower. The best part about the room, though, is that you walk straight out the door and straight to the pool.